Hello guys, good afternoon. This is Professor Henderson. Thank you again for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Thank you for my returning subscriber, and thank you to be a part of this family. Again, today I'm coming with another educational material on proper applications of PPE. Donning PPE. As we know, PPE is very important because it helps to minimize the spread of infection, and it helps to stop the spread of infection. And according to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, we're supposed to apply proper PPE when taking care of patients. So today I'm going to demonstrate to my CNA class how to proper apply PPE and proper removal of the PPE. Again, if you like these types of content and these types of material, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please drop your comments below, and please smash the like button. So that's being said, the first thing we want to do is that we want to wash our hands. Want to perform hand hygiene. Hand hygiene is normally done 15 to 20 seconds. So after you finish washing your hands, the second thing you want to do when application of PPE, you want to apply the gown. So I'm going to show you today how to apply the gown. You open it. So as you can see in the gown, you have two strings that you have to tie. There's one you tie at the top, tie this one on the top, and then tie this one at the bottom. That's the first thing you want to do. So the second thing we want to do is to apply our mask. So when you're applying your mask, please do not, don't let your fingers or anything touch where you have to put it on, because that's contamination. You want to hold it here, and you want to apply it, and you want to make sure your nose and your mouth is covered. After you apply your mask, then you want to put on your goggles. So this is the third thing. Apply your goggles. Then you want to apply your gloves. So we have our PPE on. I am going to demonstrate to you guys now how to proper remove the PPE. So when removal of PPE, the first thing you want to do is to take your gloves off. The way you do that is just pick it up to the center of the glove, just pinch it, hold it, take two fingers, remove it. Then you dispose this into the trash. After you remove your gloves, what's the next thing you want to do? Is to remove your goggles. That's the second thing. The third thing you want to do is to take your gown off. And the way you do that, you take it inside out like this. Roll it in a ball and dispose it into the hamper. After you take your gown off, then you remove what? You remove your mask. And the last thing you do is to go to the sink and wash your hands. Wash it for 15 to 20 seconds. So guys, that completes the proper application of PPE, personal protective equipment, and removal of PPE. So again, if you like these types of content and these types of material, because if you work as a nurse, let's say you work in a hospital or you work in a nursing home or wherever, in assisted living, wherever you work as an RN, a LPN, a CNA, or a home health aide, you are going to be required to apply PPE, no matter where you work at. So it's important that you learn the correct way of application of PPE and removal of PPE. So thank you again. I do create these types of educational videos. You know, I like to help students. I like to create these videos because some students, they learn differently. Some people are kinesthetic learners. They like to do things with their hand. Some students can connect visually by looking at a video. You might lecture something to them and they probably wouldn't get it. But showing them a video, they can see it visually and they can probably connect with it better by looking at a video. Some people are visual learners, kinesthetic learner, or auditory learners. So that's the reason why I kind of create these types of educational material so I can help the students to deepen their understanding. These videos are not created to replace your reading. They are created to help to supplement your reading, to enhance your learning and deepen your understanding of the material. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, like and share, and drop your comments below. And I'll catch you in the other one. Bye for now.